Drive-by-download attack definition. Drive-by-download attacks specifically refer to malicious programs that install to your devices, without your consent. This also includes unintentional downloads of any files or bundled software onto a computer device. Masked in all corners of the web, these attacks cause even perfectly legitimate sites to spread this threat. Variants here are the two main variants of drive-by-download attacks. Non-malicious potentially unwanted programs or applications. Malware-loaded attacks. While the former is clean and safe, it may be adware at its worst. Cybersecurity experts use the latter as their drive-by-download definition. Types of drive-by-download attacks. Drive-by-download attacks can take various forms and be met almost anywhere online. Let's look into the most prevalent types of drive-by-download attacks. Malicious ads. Cross-site scripting assaults. Exploit kits. Phishing attacks. Watering hole threats. Types of drive-by-download payloads. Hackers choose malicious payloads according to the specific goals they want to achieve, be it crippling the device's software, stealing a user's identity, or drying up their financial resources. Payloads most widely used in drive-by-download attacks. Adware. Browser hijackers. Botnet. Keyloggers. Trojan. Ransomware. Here are some types of data targeted in drive-by-downloads. The targets of drive-by-downloads usually depend on the wishes of hackers who have infiltrated the web page with a particular payload. Below, you can find some types of sensitive data most valued by cybercriminals. Personal information, including name, address, phone number, national security number, and anything else that can be tied to a person's identity. Financial information, for instance, credit card and banking operations details or bank account numbers. Login credentials, usernames and passwords. Business data, including internal communication, business strategies, marketing data, patents, and research and development data. Browser data, such as search history, cookies, and bookmarks. How can website owners prevent drive-by-downloads? The best way to avoid drive-by-download attacks is to take the security and integrity of a website seriously. Below are some simple yet highly effective measures every website owner should take to protect their web pages. Keep your website elements, such as extensions, plugins, and add-ons, up to date. Carefully check and review ads on your website. Hackers often infect ads to distribute malicious payloads. Get rid of outdated software. It's any hacker's favorite entry point to your online domain. Use a strong password for the admin account. You should also consider using a password manager to generate robust passwords capable of withstanding brute force attacks. Set web application firewalls, WAFs, to closely follow and filter your website's traffic. Restrict third-party components on your web pages to diminish the odds of various malware infections. Use a secure Internet protocol compatible with HTTPS. Browsers encrypted with HTTPS are harder for hackers to crack and insert malicious payloads. How can users avoid drive-by-download attacks? Being conscious of cyber threats is the best way to keep various malware infections at bay, including drive-by-downloads. Here are some tips on how you can avoid falling victim to drive-by-download payloads. Regularly update your operating system and software. Though it's tempting to postpone the pending update for just a couple of more days, hackers are quick to seize the opportunity to exploit outdated software when they encounter them. Updates patch operating systems and software security vulnerabilities and close the window for cybercriminals to access your device and data. Make sure to download the official software. Whenever you're downloading programs, check twice if you are downloading the official ones. Hackers are skilled in creating convincing doppelgangers and inserting malicious codes into legitimate-looking applications. Get rid of unused apps. Every program, plugin, and app is susceptible to cyber attacks. By removing the ones you don't use anymore, you'll need to manage fewer items for security vulnerabilities. Use antivirus software. It's the first instance that saves you against online threats. However, make sure to use a reliable provider's antivirus for a higher security level. Use ad blockers. Crimeware often hides behind pop-up ads and intrusive banners. Ad blocking software can reduce your chances of being infected with malicious code and lessen the number of intrusive ads you see. Use a reliable web browser. Widely used browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge have built-in security features that can help protect you against fake or infected websites and downloads.